How to fix GCash app authentication failed. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So the main fixes for GCash authentication failed is to simply check the reason for failure. GCash may deny verification due to selfie scan error, ID validation error, wrong or missing documents, or existing open support ticket. Make sure your selfie is taken in a well-lit environment and keep your face clear and unobstructed during the scan. Also, double-check that your ID is valid, clear, and matches your detail. You can go ahead and re-upload if needed with the current documentation. Just like that, if GCash asks for more documents and you submitted the wrong ones, that can block progress. So wait for 24 hours after resubmitting the correct files. And if rejected, you can simply try the process again after recorrecting them. And just like that, you'll then be able to fix the app authentication failed error. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.